For this last one, part 3, I need to show you a single rational function. I chose y equals x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 1, which factors out to y equals x plus 2, x minus 2 over x plus 1, x minus 1. Then I need to show you how to find discontinuities, vertical and horizontal asymptotes, and how to graph it in a table, and I need to show you how to make the table. So we're going to start with discontinuities. To find discontinuities of a function, of a rational function, you need to set the denominator equal to 0. So in this case, x plus 1, x minus 1 equals 0. And if you separate those, then the discontinuities are x equals negative 1 and x equals positive 1. The discontinuities are basically the same as vertical asymptotes. You find them out the same way, but sometimes they can be removable. In this case, none of them are removable. So our vertical asymptotes you find the same way, x plus 1, x minus 1 equals 0. So our vertical asymptotes are x equals negative 1 and x equals 1. I'll show you on the next page that this is where they are, but I don't know why I didn't draw them in right here. And then to find our horizontal asymptotes, there's like a little chart that you have to follow doing this, and it's if m is less than n, the horizontal asymptote is going to be 0. If n is less than m, then there's none. And if m equals n, then y equals a over b. So m and n, or y or a over b, are the exponent above your first x. And in this case, it's 1 and 1. So y equals 1 over 1 is equal to 1. So our horizontal asymptote is just going to be at positive 1 right here. And I'll draw that in on the next two. So here you can see all the asymptotes. There are 2 vertical and 1 horizontal. To graph this, you only really need a few points. I only got 3 because once you have the asymptotes, you can pretty much guess where the line's going to go. So for my x values, I picked 2, negative 2, and 0, and I plugged them into the function to get my y values. So for negative 2, it's at negative 2, 0 is the coordinate. So that's right here. And then because these are the asymptotes that surround it, it's basically going to curve right into that and then come out and stay along that line. And same with positive 2, 0, it's going to curve right out and stay on the line. For 0, right here, we go up 4 points, and that's like the other part of the graph. And once again, you can tell that it's going to be in between these 2 vertical asymptotes. So once you get that first point, you can kind of guess that it's just going to go up and stay along that line.